Hello there, welcome to the course called Python Programming Practice for CBSE Class 11th and 12th. Key feature of this course is that this course covers complete Python programming practice suggested by CBSE for Class 11th and 12th. Computation Thinking and Programming Part 1 and Computation Thinking and Programming Part 2 has been covered almost 50 programs that include 38 Python programs revised syllabus for 2020-2021 and 12 additional advanced programs used Visual Studio Code and Jupyter Notebook for writing Python programs. Each Python program explained with analysis, logic used, objective of programs and line-by-line writing. This is the fastest way to understand each Python program's concept through programs. Some additional topic has been covered like graph plotting using matplotlib, simple statistical analysis using Pandas and Numpy, matrix operations using Numpy, web page creation using WebBroswer and OS Python model. This course has been divided into 4 sections. Section 1 and 2 cover almost 28 Python programs from revised syllabus for class 11 and section 3 cover class 12 suggested programming practice from revised syllabus 2020-2021 and section 4 has been created for additional programming practice. This will make you make your Python learning complete. That's cover some most important and additional advanced topic like matplotlib, Numpy, Pandas, WebBroswer and OS thing. Section 1 has been divided into 12 lessons. Each lessons have a 2 part. The part first have an explanation about the program's logic, concepts, and section 2 has been divided for the programming writing practice, that is using Visual Studio Code or Jupyter. Section 2 has been covered 18 lessons or 18 programs, and each lessons has been divided into 2 sections. First for the explanation about the logic, analysis about the programs, what the requirement it is, and section 2 has been writing the code practice by line and explanation about the why this has been written, why it is used, what is the purpose, this kind of thing stuff has been used. Section 3 is all about this class 12 Python programming practice. So in this section 8 lessons has been created, and each lesson are like, as I mentioned, that 2 sections. One for the explanation about the program, what is the requirement, what is the logic need to be right, how it is mapped, and section 2 that is programming writing using the Jupyter Notebook, that is online Python interpreter that by which you can write the Python program using like mobile, tablet and desktop with the help of any browser app. Section 4, that is I cover some advanced topics like uses of matplotlib, Numpy, Pandas. Also talk about pypi.org, that is Python Programming Index, that will give you the overview about what it is and why we use it. Also some advanced topic like statistical analysis, plotting graph, matrix multiplication, matrix operations. So cover this thing. Here is one of the examples that how I just explained the program. So I used the markers and the whiteboard, so explain about the logic and put the idea how the program is written. So now, and this is the snapshot of the code has been written using the Visual Studio Code. Here, the same program that is another program that I explain about the user by line and steps, and then I use another editor for Python, that is Jupyter Notebook, that is online Python interpreter. So let's jump into that and complete your Python learning very quickly and easily and crack your exam. Thank you all.